we're gonna do the fish plait. The first thing you're supposed to do is ensure that the hair is fully detangled. Comb it out entirely. There's no tangle. Ensure that there's no tangle in it. So the next thing you're gonna do is section the hair into 2 halves. Try to make them as even as possible. I usually weigh it with my hand. I can grip them and feel them to feel if one is bigger than the other or not. So the first step is to grab them like this, and then you're going to take pieces, small pieces from the outer edge, and then you're going to put it across to the opposite side like that. Now I'm going to repeat the step on the opposite side. So I take a small piece and I'm going to put it across to the opposite side. Oopsie, like that. So now I have my first X. So the next step is going to be take another small portion and I'm going to crisscross over here. And then I'm going to be repeating this step on the opposite side. I find that taking it like this can be challenging. So if you find it challenging, what you can do is grip hair with your finger and then use your hand to weigh the hair and pull it across like so. Then you put it together over here. I'm going to use my finger again to hold the middle here, and then I'm going to take some from the side towards the back and I'm going to wrap it over to the other side. I'm going to take some from the back over here and I'm going to pull it across. And as I go, I'm pulling it together. You can already see the formation of the braid. I'm using the thumb to hold it firmly, and then I'm going to take another bit from here, trying to be as consistent as possible with the size, and then I'm going to pull it across like so and join it with the other. I'm going to do the same like this, pull it across, and that's it. I'm going to do the same, pull it across, and as you go along you smooth it out, because as you can see I'm pulling some across and it's getting fuzzy and frizzy. So keep it with your finger, pull across again like so, pull across again like that. And I'll show you the end product. So this is how the fish plait is going. If you could see it in all its glory. This is how it is. The light isn't doing it any justice, but this is how it is. It's a very beautiful plait that takes much patience. So just continue patiently and you will see results.